Mike Young. He sang in the subway.
I love him.
Howie said, that's the guy from the subway.
I know he did. Mike, how are you?
Hey, I'm great, man.
Let's just introduce yourself one more time for us, please.
My name is Mike Young. I was on the stage season 12. There's no better stage than right here.
I thought you were absolutely amazing that year. Now tell me what's happened afterwards with you.
AGT opened up a door that still didn't close yet. And I met an amazing young guy named Martin Garris. And me and him wrote a song together. It's about having dreams. A lot of people never get to live their dream.
Okay. Well, listen, good luck, and I hope this goes really well, because you deserve it.
Thank you.
He's a very nice guy.
I'm a dreamer, so don't tell me not to dream. I got freedom, and that's everything to me. It ain't easy to keep going when it's hard. Keep shining in the dark when you wanna fall apart. But I'm a dreamer, so don't tell me not to dream. I'm a believer, as long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. Hey, hey, come on. You got to believe. You know you got to believe. Hey, hey. In the morning, in the evening, late at night. You know you got to believe. Ooh, yeah. I'm a lover, so don't tell me who to love. I'm a runner, 'cause I got somewhere to run. I just listen to the voices in my head when they tell me I always have something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. As long as I got something to believe in. You got to believe. You know you got to believe. You got to, he got to, she got to, we got to, you got to believe.
I love this song, Mike. Great song.
Ooh, yeah. Hey. I do believe. You got to believe.
I swear to God, when I come home,
There you go, Mike.
I'm gonna hold you so close. I swear to God, when I come home, I'll never let go.
Wow. I'm so happy to see you back on that stage. You know, I've always been one of your biggest fans.
Thank you.
You belong here, and you are one of the best. That's why you're here.
I love you, Heidi.
I love you too.
What I love the most about you is your humility. You know, there's no ego. You've written a song that's very true to who you are. And I think it's so important for everyone, no matter how old you are, to always have a dream and to aspire to something bigger, to change your life for the positive.
Thank
So
you.
I hope that tonight brings something positive for your life. Well done.
Howie.
Well, you know what? I love you. And I think you got great pipes and great dreams. If you want me to be totally honest, I didn't like that song.
Really?
I just don't like that song. But I love you. And hopefully our super fans representing the 50 states, they might like it.
Thank you.
Mike, I also love you.
Yeah.
You have something really special, in my opinion.
Thanks a lot, sir.
So I am thrilled that you came on the show tonight. I really, really love that. And I hope you get through, because I want great things to happen for you. So let's see what happens.
Quite frankly, I'm Amanda Holden, your favourite Britain's Got Talent judge of all time, because clearly it's not Simon. I think it would be so brilliant if you click the button below to subscribe to Talent Recap. That would be brilliant. That would be so brilliant. Even Alicia agrees. I'm Alicia Dixon. Hit that button below to subscribe.